Imagine shrinking a particle accelerator the size of a football stadium down to a device that fits on a microchip. It sounds like science fiction, but new research I've been a part of shows this could soon be a reality. Currently, to produce the intense X-rays needed to study everything from new drugs to advanced materials, scientists need to use massive facilities called synchrotrons. Access is limited and expensive, but our research shows a new way. By using tiny, hollow carbon nanotubes, smaller than a human hair and a special type of twisting laser light, we can trap and accelerate electrons in a spiral motion. This creates brilliant high-energy X-rays just like the big machines. This tabletop accelerator could revolutionize science and medicine, putting powerful research tools directly into hospitals and university labs. Imagine clearer medical scans or faster drug development. We're still at the simulation stage, but if our experiments succeed, this could democratize access to frontier science for everyone.